Show on Kids Place Live.
Welcome back, little listeners. I'm still today. We're talking all about the super sensational senses that we humans have. Man, these crackers are so good. I bet they don't taste as good to you as they do to me.
Okay, what are you talking about? Are you saying you're a better taster than me?
Actually, Kate, I am.
That's impossible. We're eating the same tacos, which, spoiler alert, taste the same.
I hate to burst your bubble, Kate, but I have a secret.
What?
I'm a super taster.
A what?
A super taster.
There's no way that's a real thing.
It totally is. Up to 30% of people are super tasters.
All right, my bad. That sounds pretty cool, but what does it actually mean?
Well, you know how I'm kind of a super picky eater?
Yeah, I really don't understand how you don't like broccoli. It's like my favorite food, and I'm not just saying that to make my mom happy.
Yes you are, because broccoli is no one's favorite food, but being a super taster means that I can taste flavors more intensely than other people. So things like broccoli, spinach, grapefruit are all foods that many super tasters really dislike because those foods can be very, very bitter. For you, it might be tasty broccoli party in your mouth, but for some super tasters, it comes off as really intense. Some picky eaters are actually super tasters in disguise.
Whoa, weird. But how does that even happen?
It's all about the number of taste buds you have, bud.
Okay, bud. Well, but what is a taste bud exactly?
Taste buds are the tiny little bumps all over your tongue, and each little bump has between 50 and 150 taste receptor cells inside, which help your brain identify what you're tasting, like sweet, bitter, salty, sour. Most people have between 2,000 and 8,000 taste buds on their tongues. We even have taste buds in our throats.
Oh, so that's why my grandma's pea soup doesn't go down easily.
I don't know about your grandma's soup, but I do know that girls have more taste buds than boys.
Okay, now that's awesome. Girl power. But how are you a better taster than me?
Well, everyone has a different number of taste buds, but you can actually do a little experiment at home to see if you're a super taster or not. First, you need a couple things. Grab a grown-up, get some blue food coloring, and some paper hole punch reinforcers. Those sticky little rings that you can pick up at any, office supply store. Then open your mouth and have your grown-up put a drop of blue food coloring on your tongue. Drink a mouthful of water and swish it around and then spit it out. It'll dye your whole tongue blue except your taste buds, which will still be pink. They'll be the bigger bumps, not the super teeny tiny ones. Now put the sticky ring on the very end of your tongue and count the number of taste buds inside the ring.
Okay, count my taste buds.
1, 2, 3. Okay, it looks like you have about 20 taste buds in there.
What does that mean?
Okay, you can stop holding your tongue now.
Oh, okay. Well, that's it? That's all I have to do?
It means you're an average taster.
Woohoo?
Well, there are 3 kinds of tasters. For 25 to 30% who have less than 15 taste buds, they're non-tasters. Some foods taste kind of bland. Average tasters have between 15 and 30, which is most people. And then super tasters have more than 30, which is about 25 to 30% of people.
That's kind of amazing.
Totally. But no matter how many buds you have, taste is a pretty fast sense. Your body can detect taste in just 0.0015 seconds, meaning faster than the blink of an eye.
That's so awesome. But it also makes me wonder if animals who don't taste with their mouths taste just as fast.
What are you talking about? Animals eat with their mouths too.
I mean, most of them do, but some animals, despite the fact that they might eat with their mouths, can taste using other parts of their body.
Are you trying to tell me that grizzly bears can taste with their ears?
No, but that would be totally cool. But the yellow bullhead catfish is actually an animal that's just a slippery tongue swimming around.
Ugh, that's so gross.
Well, I mean, it is a fish, but, while we might have just a few measly 1,000 taste buds, this fish has a grand total of 175,000 taste buds all over its body.
That is crazy.
So it's like a slimy, gross tongue swimming around in the water. It's actually a super interesting adaptation on the fish's part. So these catfish live in freshwater rivers and creeks that are usually really murky with mud. That means they can't see too well. So this sense helps them hunt their prey in dark water.
So they can taste all that mud? That's so gross.
Well, that's nothing. Butterflies can taste with their feet, and octopuses taste with the suckers on their tentacles.
Ugh, that is so much weird, Kate. Good one.
Thanks, bud. Whoa. Did you hear that?
Hear what?
It's so loud!
Kate, I seriously don't hear anything.
Whew. Phew. Stopped. That was so weird. It sounded like a cross between an air horn and a really angry cat.
I didn't hear anything. What do you think it was?
I have no idea, but I need to find out where it's coming from. It's driving me crazy. Where is it? Is it in this drawer? Is it here? Down here?
Ooh, Kate, don't break anything. Listeners, we're gonna get to the bottom of this weird sound secret and we'll be right back.